afternoon. Good afternoon, Sir Earl. For this video, we will be discussing the additional features or the progression of our game, which is Bayanihan Defense. As you can see on our screen, we are currently having a fix, or we are currently fixing our game in order to add more features for our game. So, first, we're gonna be having a demonstration, and it will be discussed by Mr. Angelico Ramirez. Thank you.
So, good day everyone. So, right now we actually have finished or not totally finished the menu options that we have here. So, we already add some audio controls, full screen method. So, let me try to play my screen. So, here are the uh, here is the home screen for the menu. So, we have an option button for start, options button, and exit button. So all of the buttons are functionable. So let's proceed on start first. Exit. When you click exit, the game will automatically close. And next is the options. So we actually have a music volume right now, and we still waiting for the music background that will create that will be created by Miss Sam Paghubasan. Okay. And then we also have a full screen method. So when you click full screen, as you can see, the game will be automatically be full screen. And when you want to be windowed method, just turn it off. And the back button is functionable as well. And next is the start button. So when we click start button, it's not yet totally finished. We still going to change the background, and I'm going to put a back button as well for this. So yeah, let's try to play the game. Right. So let's put Jose Rizal here. So as you can see, the dino, the enemies was still dino. It's just a trial and still waiting for um, the animation of the skeletons. And as well, the bullets are already fixed. Throwing for Andres Bonifacio, throwing letter K made by a wooden, and for the archer, throwing some arrows. Jose Rizal throwing a feather pen. And for Lapu-Lapu, you can see it's just a short range. Yeah, I think that's all for my part.
Okay.
Additional, for the heroes, we have an option to upgrade. So when you click upgrade, the damage will increase, range. I mean, only the damage, I think. And the speed and range pala. Same as well for Rizal. All of the heroes actually can do upgrade, and you can sell them as well. So let me try to sell the archer, as you can see. And yeah, yun lang.
Okay. So,
So, ito yung isa sa mga villain namin na inanimate namin. And we're still working pa rin ni Sam sa dalawang villain na character. So, ito yung una.
So far, yan na lang yung nagawa namin. And then, ibibigay na namin sa inyo. Tapos kayo na yung bahalang add siya sa mismong game natin. Yun lang. Magdadagdag pa kami ng dalawa.
which is
Since
yung
yung
alin?
dalawa,
Question ko lang, which is alin yung dalawang na-mention nyo?
Yung,
yung upgraded,
Ha?
parang hindi mo naman alam yung asset natin, Bes. Yung dalawa, yung
Mm.
isa yung pinaka-master, yung isa yung
Oh, yun nga. Kasi,
pinaka...
as, So far, meron na tayong animation sa ano. So we have to in total three, tama di ba? Three types of ano villains. So far we're already ano, meron tayo dun sa isa natin, no? For clarification lang. Tapos yung dalawa natin is in progress, which is i-include na lang natin. So in other words, working na yung game, assets na lang yung i-add natin, which is the progress. So ano ba? Yun, yung sa animation natin, siguro, may question na ako dun sa directions nung ano, nung walking. So, siguro conditional lang yun. Like, pag yung, um, pag yung villain papunta siya ng left, yung animation na left yung magpe-play. Tapos, pag papunta siya ng, parang papunta dito, mag-change yung animation na i-play niya. So, I think kaya naman yun, sir, ano no, Angelico. Parang conditional siya, di ba? Okay na yan.
Additional, yung sa music natin. Kasi gusto ko matry eh.
Oo.
So, if ever, kung masasenda nila, gusto ko na marinig eh.
Sige, isasend ni Joel.
Isasend
Oy,
na.
Kami ni Joel.
Sige.
Question regarding dun sa ano,
So, yan,
sound,
yan.
paano
Okay.
yung sound effects?
Oh, yung sound effects daw. Dapat, ano ba ang sound effects? Boogs ba yun? Boogs?
Alam mo, like, parang mahirap yung sound effects. Parang if ever, kung kaya ng oras, yun yung ilalas natin.
Pwede
Pero,
naman.
ang maganda yung music muna nila.
Oh, kasi background siya eh. So, in total, ano eh.
Para kahit pa paano may kanta.
Oh, sige, go lang.
Yun lang.
So, antayin natin yung background music na. Sige, thank you, sir, ano. So, to summarize, ang progress natin in total is working buttons or navigation sa menu bar. Sa main menu, ano natin, page. Tapos, we already added a full screen setting. Full screen feature.
Animation.
Yeah, full screen feature tsaka yung volume ano, adjust, yung volume setting. And then what else? Yung sa animations for the villains tsaka sa towers natin. So in total, yun yung progress natin for this 60%. So any question guys before we finish this meeting? Any ano ba? Any violent reaction?
And
And so-
work in progress na din ako sa documentation natin. Sino
Okay.
pa bang gagawa? No?
Thank you, Sam.